Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding the button until you see the Google logo on the screen, which will take a while. Okay, here we have it. Now we can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can download and install the application required to pair the devices together. And to do that, go to the phone you want to pair your watch with, make sure you have the internet connection, Bluetooth enabled, then open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, then tap on the search bar and type in Pixel Watch. And tap on search, of course. And here we have the Google Pixel Watch application. You can tap on install button. For me it's open because I have the application already installed, but if you don't, tap on open. And actually, let me quickly uninstall it and just install it for the sake of the video. Okay, and it will start installing. After it's done installing, you can tap on open and the app will open. Let's check the watch. Once the watch shows you this animation, it's ready to pair, and we can go to the app, tap on setup watch, allow the required permission, wait until the app detects your watch, tap on the watch to select it. As you can see, we need to allow some permissions for the watch to basically work, unfortunately. Some of the permissions are a bit annoying, but it is what it is, so let's allow it. Okay, and as you can see, we need to log in into a Google account to continue. We can tap on sign in, and here you can select the accounts. You can tap on this arrow to open the list of the accounts you have on your phone. You can select one and tap on continue. Or if you're not logged in into any account on your phone, you will need to basically enter the email address and password to log in. I'm gonna continue with this one. Verify that it's me, and let's wait until it's done logging in. On this page, scroll down and tap on I agree. Here we have the warranty terms, and you can read them in different languages. I'm just gonna tap on continue. And as you can see, we have a backup of our Google Pixel Watch we can restore. I don't want to restore any backups, but if you have any and you want to restore them, simply select one you want to restore and it will be copied to your watch. I'm just gonna tap on don't restore, set up our watch by selecting the preferred hand or wrist rather, and then which way should the crown be facing, and then we can tap on continue. And here you have option to finish the setup now, or you can set up the watch a bit further, like Google Gemini Assistant and stuff like that. Basically anything additional that is not required for the watch to work properly. So if you want to, you can stop or rather finish the setup right here. I'm just gonna tap on setup more for the sake of the video. And first we have the health journey, and basically it tells you to install the Fitbit application to use the health features of the watch, which is also a bit weird that you need to have a second app for the health features, but that's how Google does it. And we can tap on continue. It will basically tell you how the app works, what it does, and then you can install it by basically, if it's not installed for you, you can tap on install here, then open it and log into app and basically start using it. I'm gonna tap on not now for now. And then we have the info page about the emergency features, and we can tap on continue. Then we have the assistant, and we can set it up to work with Hey Google and stuff like that. You can skip it if you don't want to, but if you want to set it up, tap on setup, more, next. You will need to agree to some terms of use. You can also turn on the Rise to Talk. So basically, if you raise your watch to your face, it will activate the Gemini and you can talk to it. You can also not use it if you want to by tapping on no thanks, but if you want to turn it on, tap on turn on. Here we can set up screen protection or screen lock basically. This is useful if you have some payment methods on your watch or using bank apps on your watch, anything that requires security. Basically how it works is if you take off your watch from your wrist, it will automatically lock and you will need to enter the PIN or password to unlock it. I'm not gonna set it up now, but you can select one of the options and basically set it up for yourself if you want to use it. And then we have the option to add the payment option, the card. I don't need it right now, so not now. Then we have the select apps for your watch. So basically you can download additional apps for your watch and you can tap on setup. And here you have like recommendations of the apps. I'm just gonna uncheck all of them because I don't need any of them and tap on continue. And the setup should be over soon. Okay. Done. And we have the Pixel Watch on the device page of our app, and it's still starting, but once it's done, the watch should be ready to use. And here we have it. We can go through the introduction. I'm just gonna skip it. And the watch is working, as you can see. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.